everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. This is PayPal friends and family, US 18 years old or older, and please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation from me. Please email me if you're interested at fphandmade@gmail.com. I will disable the comments below, so you have to email me at this email address if you're interested in this Destash. This Destash is $60 and it will be sent priority mail. So let's get started. I have a lot of items to show you. So first of all, I have this really cute cross stitch frame with this little fox. Then I have bags of sequins. And then this really cute bag of plastic beads. They call them beads, but they have no holes in them, so I think you can just adhere them to your craft project. And then from the Dollar Tree, I have these clothespins, and then I have a stamp scrubber refill from Hampton Art. And then let's get this stack. I have this cute jumbo sticker. I think this is from Dollar Tree, Disney. And then fancy pants, I have these flares. I have these stickers from Jolie, 2 packs. And these rub-ons from the Paper Studio. And these really pretty floral or leaves from Martha Stewart. And these florals. And then I have these Halloween stamp set from Recollections, by Recollections. And then I have this fresh cut flower that you can put together. I have this Jolie sticker set with these crows, pretty creepy. And these Jolie eyes, creepy eyes, so cute. And then this big giant ink sticker with bling on it. I have these pumpkins that are also blinged out. I have these Can Company stickers, Trick or Treat, Boo. I have these really cute stickers for Halloween. For Thanksgiving. And these Thanksgiving pumpkins. And then I have these tropical palm trees, wood. And then these wooden stickers by Memento, these little stars. Really cute, 30 piece. And these really pretty wooden stickers from Memento, also with the butterflies and the gold accent. And then let's see, I have some brads by Doodlebug. I have these 4-piece frame set by Maggie Holmes. I know you guys have seen this. It's Maggie Holmes crepe paper. These little sequins. And the Sweet Story Maggie Holmes 40-piece ephemera by Jane Hadfield. I have these 6-piece sticker set, dimensional stickers. This is really cute. And these 6-piece dimensional stickers by Jane Hadfield. Then I have these alphabet stickers, and they're like plush by Paper Studio. I have these stickers by American Craft. It's called Wonderful, 70-piece set. And then I have these Halloween stickers that I'm missing. I think this, I'm not sure what that said, but just one sticker there. And these Valentine ones. These are by I'm not sure, it says Sweet Nothings. Look at that little bee, isn't that cute? Nothing on the back. And then I have these stickers from Jane Hadfield. I think I'm missing the bike there and maybe a flower here. But the majority of them are there. These stickers here. Little red bird. It's pretty. Cardinal. And I have another pack. Never can have enough stickers, huh? And these are the ones by Jane Hadfield also. Really cute. These, I guess I really was digging on some Jane Hadfield stuff. Huh? Look at this chair. Isn't that awesome? And these by Jane Hadfield too. Really pretty. I think it's a little llama under there somewhere. And these by Maggie Holmes. Great paper. I know you guys have seen these. And this Sweet Story by Maggie Holmes. And then these by Maggie Holmes. So that's the big thing of stickers. Then I have a few embossing folders. This one says Shine, the big diamond. And then this Cuttlebug, this wonky squares. There's another Cuttlebug with the ABCs. This Anna Griffin one, it's called Harlequin Bells. Another Anna Griffin with the top hat. And this one is the Bridal Rings. And this embossing folder by Elizabeth Craft Designs. It's those dots. You can see them there. See my camera there. And let's see, what else? Make some room here really quick. I'm trying to go fast here. Then I have these stickers, patriotic stickers. And then I have this chipboard by Great Paper. It's missing the camera. And I think that's it, yeah. Look at that little dress on that. Isn't that cute? And then these, see these for sure, these Maggie Holmes. Missing the flowers, the flags, and the kite, and the bow, but the rest are there. And then I have these Christmas chipboard accents by Echo Park. Let's see. I don't see the number of pieces in here, but they're all here. I haven't used any of these. I think that hat is, stocking is pretty. Then it's stamp sets by Jelly Bing. And Stamp of Life. And Julie Nutting. And another Julie Nutting. And this Love, I think I got this as Michael's, so it's recollection flags for Valentine. And then this Fiskars little kitty cat. And so that's it. So this is my Destash. It's PayPal friends and family. It's US 18 years old or older, and you want to pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation from me. If you're interested, please email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. This is $60 ship priority. Thank you guys for watching.